Honda's amazing automatic sport clutch technology offers ATV riders the best of both worlds, the performance of a manual clutch and the convenience of an automatic clutch. Standard on Honda's popular TRX250X, the sport clutch is an industry-first innovation that appeals to beginning and experienced riders alike. This advanced technology allows riders to choose whether they want to actuate the clutch manually or simply let the machine do the work. Sport Clutch allows riders to explore the more aggressive side of the TRX250X. By manipulating the clutch lever, riders can accelerate rapidly during quick starts while climbing hills or exiting corners, just like a machine with a manual clutch. When coming to a stop, the rider now has the choice between disengaging the engine drive with the clutch lever or letting the centrifugal clutch handle the disengagement. The rider never has to worry about stalling the engine, even if the rider applies too much rear brake, stops on a hill, or in challenging terrain where crawl speeds and low engine RPM are required. The Sport Clutch makes it much easier to get rolling again. With its powerful 250 class engine, long travel double wishbone front suspension, front disc brakes, and light overall weight, the TRX250X has plenty of appeal to ATV riders of all skill levels. Thanks to Honda's innovative and easy-to-use sport clutch, the TRX250X is more fun than ever. Recommended for riders 16 years of age and older.